David Riley of Blue Bay was on set with me yesterday and saying, look, there's a lot of complacency in markets around Brexit, and he almost feels like it's what it was like in the run-up to the referendum, where markets were pricing what they wanted to happen rather than what might actually happen. Would you agree with that, Pau?
I agree with you. I agree. We all have wishful thinking biases. We all think that the world will ultimately do what we want them to do. And we confuse in especially such an emotional issue like Brexit, which is certainly divisive and it gets people's sort of excitement up. I think we confuse what we wanted to happen, which is that orderly Brexit, whether there's the deal or a delay or a second referendum. Everybody wants to avoid the no deal. I'm not as convinced. I think that the stupidity of politicians should never be underestimated, and the fact that they're not necessarily doing what's best for the country, but rather what's best for the party and what's best for their underlying constituencies, or what they think is best for them, doesn't mix very well. I am concerned that things will get more and more delay, and at the very last second, the default option is still a no deal. So I hope Mike is right, and I hope I'm wrong.
Okay, disagreement. I like it. So what does that mean for how you allocate to the UK then, Pau? You stay away, or
it means that the UK is, to my disappointment, still uninvestable.
Right.
And I say disappointment because it is an area of opportunity. Valuations are attractive, equities in the UK are attractive. For as long as we don't have visibility, the options are so binary that it is just not worth it. Yes, it looks as if sterling could be an opportunity, and if Mike is right, one should certainly buy sterling. But as I say, it's just it is catching a falling knife, and at the moment, uninvestable for the moment. I'm sure we'll give up some gains if reality happens to be better than we expect it to be. But the alternative is so unprecedented that the best thing you can do is grab the popcorn and watch what happens.